Black holes are among the most fascinating, terrifying, and misunderstood phenomena in the universe. They are objects so dense, so extreme, that they bend space and time themselves. Some contain the mass of millions or even billions of suns, yet remain almost completely invisible. For most of human history, black holes were nothing more than mathematical ghosts, predicted by equations but never seen, never touched, never proven. That has changed. Over the last 2 decades, advancements in astronomy, physics, and observational technology have allowed scientists to peel back the darkness surrounding these cosmic giants. And recently, a startling announcement from theoretical physicists and observational astronomers has reignited one of the most provocative questions in science. Do we finally know what lies inside a black hole? This new wave of research doesn't claim that we can physically see beyond the event horizon, but it does suggest that we may now understand far more about the internal structure of black holes than ever before. Concepts once dismissed as pure speculation are now being taken seriously, supported by mathematics, simulations, and indirect observations. To understand why this matters, we need to go back more than a century. In 1916, just 1 year after publishing his theory of general relativity, Albert Einstein's equations revealed something extraordinary. They suggested that under certain conditions, matter could collapse so completely that space-time itself would curve inward endlessly. At the center of this collapse would exist a point of infinite density, what we now call a singularity. At the time, even Einstein himself doubted that such objects could exist in the real universe. For decades, black holes remained theoretical curiosities. That changed in the 1960s when astronomers studying X-ray emissions from space noticed something strange in the constellation Cygnus. A bright blue star appeared to be orbiting an invisible companion, one that emitted no light but exerted an enormous gravitational pull. That object became known as Cygnus X1, one of the first strong candidates for a stellar mass black hole. This discovery marked a turning point. Black holes were no longer just equations. They were real. Since then, scientists have uncovered evidence suggesting that our Milky Way galaxy alone may contain millions, possibly tens of millions, of black holes. Most are dormant and nearly impossible to detect unless they interact with nearby matter. At the center of our own galaxy lies a supermassive black hole with a mass over 4 million times that of the Sun, quietly anchoring the Milky Way. Despite their abundance, black holes remain profoundly unsettling. Their gravity is so intense that once something crosses a boundary called the event horizon, it can never escape, not even light. This boundary marks the point of no return. From the outside, time appears to slow for anything approaching it. From the inside, all paths lead inward. Beyond the event horizon lies a region so extreme that our current laws of physics break down. In 2019 and again with improved clarity in 2021, humanity achieved a historic milestone: the first direct images of black holes, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. These images showed glowing rings of superheated matter swirling around a dark central shadow. They confirmed predictions made by Einstein over a century earlier and revealed that black holes are not empty voids, but dynamic, energetic systems. Researchers now describe black holes as having layered structures. The outermost layer is the event horizon, the ultimate cosmic boundary. Inside that lies a region where light itself can orbit the black hole, trapped in looping paths by gravity so strong that photons cannot escape. Deeper still lies the singularity, a point where density becomes infinite and space-time curvature becomes absolute. But this raises the most unsettling question of all. What happens at the singularity? According to classical physics, everything collapses into an infinitely small point. Matter is crushed, time and space lose meaning, and causality breaks down. But many physicists now believe this description is incomplete. Quantum mechanics, our best theory of the very small, cannot coexist peacefully with general relativity in this regime. This conflict has led to radical new ideas. One of the most enduring and controversial is the concept of wormholes, also known as Einstein-Rosen bridges. These are theoretical tunnels through spacetime that could connect two distant regions of the universe, or even two entirely separate universes. In theory, a black hole could act as one end of such a bridge, while a hypothetical counterpart known as a white hole acts as the exit. Instead of matter being destroyed, it would be transported. To visualize this, imagine spacetime as a stretched fabric. Normally, traveling from one point to another requires moving across that surface. But if the fabric folds and connects two distant points directly, a shortcut is formed. That shortcut is a wormhole. Mathematically, wormholes are permitted by Einstein's equations. Physically, however, they pose enormous problems. Most models suggest they would collapse instantly unless stabilized by exotic forms of matter with negative energy, something that has never been observed in nature. Still, recent research has reignited interest in these ideas. Advanced simulations suggest that the interior of a black hole may not be a simple point, but a region where spacetime undergoes a dramatic transformation. Some models propose that singularities may be replaced by highly compressed quantum states, avoiding infinite density altogether. Others suggest black holes may store information on their surfaces, challenging the long-standing belief that information is lost forever. This touches on one of the deepest puzzles in physics, the black hole information paradox. If information truly disappears inside black holes, it would violate fundamental principles of quantum mechanics. Recent theoretical breakthroughs suggest that information may not be lost after all. It may be encoded in subtle quantum effects at the event horizon or slowly released over unimaginable timescales through Hawking radiation. All of this points to a profound realization. Black holes are not just cosmic destroyers. They may be laboratories for the fundamental laws of reality. They test the limits of space, time, gravity, and quantum mechanics. They force us to confront the possibility that our understanding of the universe is incomplete, and that reality is far stranger than we imagine. Despite their terrifying reputation, black holes pose no immediate threat to Earth. The nearest known black hole is thousands of light years away. Unless one were to replace the Sun, which is impossible, black holes are cosmic neighbors, not predators. Yet their existence reshapes our view of the universe. They sculpt galaxies, regulate star formation, and may even play a role in the evolution of cosmic structure itself. Without black holes, the universe would look very different. So have we truly discovered what lies inside a black hole? Not in the traditional sense. No probe has crossed the event horizon and returned. But through mathematics, observation, and theory, we are closer than ever to understanding their inner nature. What once belonged to science fiction is now part of serious scientific debate. Black holes remind us of a humbling truth. The universe is vast, mysterious, and under no obligation to make sense to us. Yet, step by step, we continue to push back the darkness, not with fear, but with curiosity. And as we peer deeper into the heart of these cosmic enigmas, one thing becomes clear. The greatest discoveries may still lie beyond the horizon.